Welcome to our guide on machine learning for the Internet of Things. Today, we are exploring one of the most valuable applications in the tech industry, predictive maintenance and anomaly detection. If you are interested in how smart devices can predict the future to save costs, you are in the right place. First, let's define our terms. The Internet of Things consists of billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. Machine learning is the brain of the operation. It uses algorithms to analyze this data, identifying patterns and making decisions without human intervention. So, why is this combination necessary? Simply put, we are drowning in data. A single modern factory might generate millions of data points every day. Traditional human monitoring cannot keep up with this speed or volume. We need machine learning to sift through this noise and find the signals that matter. In the industrial world, there are two main ways to handle equipment maintenance. The old way is reactive. You wait for a machine to break, then you fix it. This is costly and dangerous. The new way, powered by machine learning, is predictive. This means fixing equipment before it ever breaks, based on data-driven insights. Here is how the process actually works. Step 1, sensors collect data like vibration or heat. Step 2, this data is transmitted to the cloud or an edge device. Step 3, a machine learning model analyzes the data. And finally, Step 4, if a problem is detected, the system alerts the maintenance team immediately. A core concept here is anomaly detection. Imagine a machine usually vibrates at a steady low frequency. Suddenly, that vibration spikes. That spike is an anomaly. Machine learning models are excellent at establishing what normal looks like, so they can instantly flag anything abnormal that might indicate a loose bolt or a wearing gear. There are three main types of algorithms used here. Regression helps us predict numbers, like estimating exactly how many days a machine has left before failure. Classification helps us categorize the machine's state as healthy or broken. And clustering is useful for finding those anomalies we just talked about, even without prior examples. Let's look at a real-world example. Consider a factory with hundreds of motors. By tracking vibration and temperature, an ML model can notice a 15% increase in vibration in just one motor. It flags this as bearing wear and schedules a repair during a lunch break, completely avoiding any production downtime. The benefits of this technology are massive. It drastically reduces downtime, which saves money. It optimizes parts inventory so you aren't buying spares you don't need yet. And most importantly, it improves safety by preventing catastrophic equipment failures before they happen. To wrap up, the combination of IoT and machine learning is shifting industry from a reactive mindset to a proactive one. We are moving towards a future where machines tell us when they need help, ensuring efficiency and reliability across the board. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.